To begin this meditation, please bring kind awareness to the emotions that you can associate with these visceral feelings. Mind Appreciation Meditation. Hello and welcome to this meditation. Today, we will be connecting with the thoughts and expressing gratitude for the mind. Take a few moments to wind down. Whether you are at the beginning of your day, taking a break, or at the end of your day, it's time to take a pause, encouraging the body and the mind to dedicate the next 15 minutes to rest. Closing the eyes, taking a nice big sigh and letting your body settle into comfort. Let your breath carry you into relaxation. Nice, slow, even breath, making space in this experience. Let's go deeper now. Deep breath in. Hold for a few moments. And release. Another deep inhale. Hold. And exhale. As you continue to breathe deeply, let your inhales bring calm to the body and your slow exhales bring calm to the mind. Listening to the flow of your breath helps guide you into a deeper state of relaxation, becoming more mindful of the sounds of your breathing, following each inhale as it enters and each exhale as it exits. When our intention is to focus on the mind, it's important to allow the body to become as relaxed as possible, limiting physical distractions for the sake of delving deeply into the mind. From head to toe, encourage your body to relax just a bit more. Feeling your head tilting slightly forward or backward as you take pressure off of your neck. Feeling your shoulders slump really relieved of stiffness. Feeling your chest become more loose and relaxed with each fluid breath. Noticing now that your back has softened and that your limbs have become nice and loose. If you notice any areas of your body that are still carrying stress or tension, refocus on those areas. It's okay to give your physical concerns some attention. You simply bring them to the surface so that you can ease them. Use your breath to soothe these areas. Deep inhale. Hold for a few moments. And release, soothing. Another deep breath in. Hold. And let go, relaxing. Use this technique to continue to soothe the body, remembering that you are in no rush. Take your time, making room for relaxation. With a relaxed body, I would like you to turn your focus to the mind, making an effort to disconnect even further from any distractions. Releasing all outside sounds and physical sensations, going deeper and deeper within the mind. Imagine lying down in a grassy field, calm and relaxed. You feel safe here. Feel the cool, soft grass against your back. Listen to the gentle breeze flowing through this meadow. Now look up, gazing at the bright blue sky above. As you do so, allow your mind to wander, encouraging your stream of consciousness to simply flow unhindered. Little by little, you notice clouds starting to form in the blue sky above you, and you soon realize that each cloud is a manifestation of your thoughts. Watch each one take shape. Trying not to direct the clouds or your thoughts, simply observe. Notice the way they form into recognizable shapes or patterns, then shift slightly and take on a completely different form. You realize that this is how your stream of consciousness flows, each thought taking shape, shifting, and then merging into another thought. Express wonder and appreciation for your miraculous mind, for the variety of thoughts that flow through. Gratitude for the complexity of your mind, its ability to understand, process, reflect, and ponder. Your mind is your own. No two are alike. Appreciate its unique essence, continuing to observe the beautiful clouds and the bright sky above. Your beautiful stream of consciousness. If your clouds begin to scatter or stop their flow, make an effort to encourage them to travel smoothly across the sky. The idea is to make room between each and every thought, giving each one space to fully manifest and express itself, and then flow on by allowing a new thought to take its place. Breathe and flow. Now allow your lungs to fill completely with your next deep inhale. And then blow your breath towards the sky, clearing the clouds away and returning to an easy, natural breath as the scene disappears. You are back in your own surroundings once again. Feeling the ground or cushions beneath you, the air of the room against your skin, the sounds coming back into your awareness. Continue your day or night, appreciating your beautiful mind and every thought within it.